Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon without a card. So let's start. Actually, you don't use PayPal as a payment method, but you can use PayPal to buy Amazon gift card and then use gift card to buy things on Amazon. So to buy gift card, what we're going to do is to go to this website called Dundle. It will allow you to buy gift cards. Just click on this one. Now you can see here the search bar. Just search for Amazon. Now click the gift card and then select your region. Then click on Buy Now. Now check out and then enter your email address and then select PayPal as a payment method. Now go back to Amazon and then go to your account. And then go to gift cards and tap app. After that, enter your gift card. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.